Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I will show you something very interesting and it will be very helpful for you. Ever built a perfect task tracker in Google Sheets only to completely forget to look at it? Yeah, me too. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a completely free automated reminder bot that checks your spreadsheet every morning and automatically emails you or your team about overdue tasks. No paid tools, just pure productivity magic. By the end of this video tutorial, you will have a system that works on autopilot, turning your passive spreadsheets into active assistants. Let's dive in. Step 1 is setting up your tracker. Open a new Google Sheet and create these 5 headers in row. Task name assigned to, here will be email addresses, due to, status, and reminder sent. You can see on my screen all these 5 headers, and I have also put some uh, demo data for these 5 headers. Make sure to format your due date column as an official date by going to format number date like this. From format, you will need to go to number, and from number, you have to choose date like this. And you will choose it only for this column C. Let's put in some dummy data to test. As you can already see, I have put some dummy data. Step 2. Time to give our sheet a break. Click to extensions at the top and select Apps Script. This opens Google's built-in coding environment. From here, you will have to access Apps Script. As you can see, I have already in this environment opened here. You do not need to write a single line of code. I will provide you with this code in the video description. And all you can do according to your need, you can customize this code. You can also take help from ChatGPT. So in this section, you will need to paste the code here. Before doing this, you have to delete the existing code. And after deleting the existing code, you need to paste the code. After pasting the code, you need to select send task reminder, this function. Before selecting this function, you will have to save this whole project code by clicking on this icon. And after saving the project, you will need to run this function, send task reminders. After running the function, Google will ask for some permissions, and you will need to give all those permissions to Google. And boom, look at that. The script ran, worked the tasks as yes. So it doesn't spam us tomorrow. And if we check our email, there is our automated urgent reminder. As I have already ran this script once, so I got this email already. you can see this email. This is the subject line of this email. That's it. Final step. Let's make it fully hands-free. On the left menu of the app script, click on clock icon to open triggers. Then click add triggers in the bottom right. You'll find it here, triggers. Then you need to add trigger. You have to select this function. It will be selected by default. Then this is the main thing. You need to select event sources. This will be time driven. And after that, select the type of time-based trigger, which will be a day timer. Then select your time when you want to send the reminder, that time range, like this, and save it. Done. This will automatically send all the task reminders to your assigned person's email every day at that time. So this was all about the small automation project using uh, Google Sheets and App Script. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick automation hacks, and comment below what you want to automate next. See ya.